to my channel Shreya's Creation. So today I am back with another interesting video. As you all know that from 1 year 2 weeks I am not able to upload because my tests were going on and I'm busy with their preparations. But my now exams are over. Yesterday my exams were over, and yes, now I'm back regular, and yes, I'll upload it on my channel. So today I'm back with another chapter of SST or social studies, my favorite subject. Okay, and name of the chapter is environment. So without any further ado, let's start this video. But before starting this that, see my hair, don't you think that like thing like a thing has been changed in my, I have a haircut. Yes, they like, I have long hair, now I am in short hair. Let's start. Went of Social Studies Chapter 5. Yes friends, now let's start. Weather and climate. So have you ever noticed that people living in different parts of the world have different lifestyles? Like in India, just take the example of us, our country. We have a traditional lifestyle. Like in the villages, the people of our village, the people of the Indian villages, we are cholis, saris. This is a traditional dress. Okay, this is a traditional form, and that's because our just a second, our lifestyle is of traditional. So let's discuss. First, let's discuss about what let's explore the world. So they live in different types of houses. They eat different types of food. They yes, of course. They also wear different types of dressing. So every country or a state have its own lifestyle, have its own nation, have its own lifestyle. So that's why today we are going to learn in this chapter, right? So even in a country that there's a diversity in a lifestyle, what is that? Why? Why? I'll ask you a question. Why? Why? Why in the world? Why in the world? Okay, why in the world all the lifestyles are different? Why, like in the India, it's a traditional lifestyle, right? So in a traditional lifestyle, why not all the states and countries of the world is not having the traditional lifestyle? Why? Why? So the answer to this question is because of the climatic conditions in the various parts of our world. Climatic conditions that we are just facing, like just take example of this weather right now. So this weather is just right, like for example, like this season is going of summer in Uttar Pradesh. Tell you, okay, let me tell you on board so you will learn easily very much. So friends, like imagine this is our Earth. I am drawing the outer surface, sorry, the sun. Okay, so this is our Earth. Okay, just imagine it. Okay, friends. So, like, and there are number of imaginary lines in our Earth, but we can't see it. But we have to imagine it. Yes, and they are real, but they are imaginary. So let's draw an imaginary line. This is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves, right? So this imaginary line is known as axis. But remember, this line and the line, for example, axis is an imaginary line. Remember, there are number of times that on the earth they are very imaginary. They are imaginary. They are not real, but we have to imagine that line. So this is called explain the structure of the earth. Then we will move to the chapter, right? And after that, there is one more line that is imagined, that is very important for our studies in social studies. So this is but it's a very straight, and this line, this one, not this one, this is called the axis. This line, this horizontal line is known as the equator. What is it is called? Equator. Got it? Yes, equator. So what is equator now? Equator is an imaginary line that divides Earth into two equal halves. Yes, this is the same definition of axis as well. But there is one difference in them, that is, axis is an vertical line, and equator. But yes, of course, horizontal line. So this is the difference. Don't be confused. Axis and equator are the same definitions. Like axis is that axis divides the earth into two equal halves. Equator also divides the earth into two equal halves. But the horizontal line that divides the earth into two equal halves. And axis is an into two equal halves. So let's study what is a hemisphere. So hemisphere. This word I think that many of you had just many have listened as well, right? So hemisphere, what is a hemisphere? One half of the earth. Okay, one half of the earth is known as what? Yes, of course, it's as hemisphere. Hemisphere. So we pronounce it hemisphere. Okay, because there is hemisphere, why there is triangle? It's not rectangle. Why it's not circle? Why? Because after hemi, I don't know what is the meaning of hemi, but I definitely know the meaning of sphere. What is a sphere? Our earth is spherical in shape, but just take an example of an orange. Okay, so orange is like a so orange has a definite. It is spherical in shape, and similarly our earth as well. Like these lines, like this line, this line, this line. These are all imaginary lines. These are not real, but we are to imagine it. So these parallel lines are known as latitudes, or lines of latitudes, or parallels of latitudes. And then what are longitudes? So I have a chapter in my longitude, so I'm explaining that also. So you can learn it very easily when we move to our chapter weather and climate. So then what are longitudes? So longitudes are these lines. These are also imaginary lines. Remember these, though the vertical lines. Okay, the vertical lines on the earth are known as lines of longitudes, or what? Meridians. They are called meridians as well. They are not called the lines of longitudes or parallels of longitudes. Not because the latitudes are known as the slanting. No, sorry, not slanting, but the horizontal line of the earth is known as the lines of latitudes or parallels. Then the longitudes lines that are vertical and vertical, and they what they do, and then after that they are known as lines of latitude, longitudes, or the meridians. Okay, then hemisphere. Hemisphere is one half of the other is known as the hemisphere, because sphere after hemi is known as sphere because earth is spherical in shape. Like you just take an example of an orange, right? So orange is is in. You imagine that the orange in your hand you are holding is known as earth. Imagine it, because the structure of the earth and the orange is बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मतलब बिल्कुल सेम ही है. Okay, now let's just move this, because now we will study the weather and study. So before starting what is weather and climate, I would like to tell you all that this video will be in parts because this is a very long chapter. Let me show you. This is a 3-page. Just a second. It's like this. This is a 3 pages, no 4 pages. Yes, 4 pages. That's right. Okay. Now let's come back to our what in climate chapter. So yes. Now yes. What is weather and climate? What's the weather? What is weather? So many times the terms weather and climate are used individually. So many of us, I also, in starting, I also just confused weather and climate तो same होता है, weather and climate तो same होता है, लेकिन no, weather and climate is not same. It has some differences, and in this video today I will told that had weather and climate has difference. So, but the fact of is that these are not the same. Yes, the same. They are two alag weather and climate. So weather, what is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a given time or place, like in the atmosphere. Just now we are facing this season. So like I'm shooting this video at evening. In evening, now it is like not cold, not so much. It's neither too old. It's moderate. It's moderate season just right now, but it's not the summer cold. That's right. Okay. After that, it may not remain constant for a single day. It may not remain constant for even a single day. That is why. Okay. That is why we describe weather. Why we describe weather? That's why this is the reason. That's why we describe the weather in cloudy, rainfall, stormy, and many and etc. Rainy or cold. That's why. So the basic factors. Now we will learn about the basic factors that determine the weather. So what are the basic factors? So how we can find that what is the weather currently now? So there are some tips so you can follow. If you want to know the tips of this, please watch this video and end. And if you haven't subscribed my channel Shrijal's Creation, so please subscribe my channel and like this video. If you have a thought of any person like please no and will. So the first very important point is of temperature of air. So what is the temperature of air? Like 22 degrees Celsius, like 33 Fahrenheit, and like etc. etc. So first we have to, this is the first step that we can check with weather. The second one is precipitation. Precipitation. So what is the meaning of precipitation? So precipitation means the rain or a snow or the rainfall or the hail etc. that fall from upper to down, like a rainfall, like a rainfall. So like rain as well, because the God is happening that the rain is coming from up and to down, and the rainfall is also coming like this up to down. So this is called the precipitation. So you have to just check it that how precipitation is just taking currently. The third point is very important, that just guess it. And if you know the answer, just write it in my comment section below. Okay, so it will be atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. So what is the meaning of atmospheric pressure? So the pressure, the like the weather just currently now in our atmosphere, that is the tip that we can just find out what is the weather right now. Like in there is it's not cloudy, it's not sunny, it's not it's moderate season, it's a moderate weather right now. Okay, according to me, because I'm just now shooting this video in evening, so let's, according to me this will be this. Okay, and the fourth one is very important, that is cloudiness. Okay, what is the meaning of cloud? So like, let me explain you with very simple example. Like for example, just imagine, so just now it will rain. Okay, how we will know that it will rain? The God gives a sign before that. Okay, cloudiness. What is the meaning of cloudiness? Before the rain, the God gives the sign. आप हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ, जैसे बादल छाए जाते हैं और जैसे जैसे थोड़ा आंधी तूफान, वो साइन होता है गॉड का कि वो बारिश होगी अभी, ठीक है। तो ये होता है उसका क्लाउडीनेस का, ठीक है। उसके बाद फोर्थ है विंड। यस, फिफ्थ इज विंड। विंड हमको पता ही है विंड क्या है। जैसे जब बारिश आती है तो उससे पहले बहुत सारे आंधी तूफान जैसे कभी कभार आ जाता है। तो आपने एक बार देखो कि कभी आपने काली तूफान देखी? काली तूफान कभी देखी है क्या? कमेंट में बताएं, ठीक है। मैंने तो देखी है, ठीक है। मेरी जो मेरे पापा हैं तो वो ऑफिस में गए थे, मैं लेने गई थी, इतनी काली अंधेरा, मतलब बहुत हो गया था, मैं तो बहुत डर गई थी। So these are some tips. These are some basic factors that determine. Determine means that you can find the weather what is currently just now. That is the meaning. So now you are clear with our weather. So let's move it on the climate. But before moving on the climate, what is climate? So I would like a very interesting fact, and it's very important for your studies in social or in SST. That is basic factor is people who study weather conditions are known as meteorologists. Meaning that the people who go in the space and research about the weather, what we all have. So we all have a weather app, right? Most of us we have a weather app in our mobile, so we can check the weather what it will tomorrow and after 10 days. So that is because of the hard work of the space scientists and the meteorologists. Meteorologist means that persons, the people who go in the space and research about the weather, what will be tomorrow or in the next 10 days. So that's why these people are known as meteorologists. So these people study about the weather conditions, okay? So this is known as the meteorology. So let me know in the comment section it was an interesting fact or not. Okay. Now. Let's study about climate. What is climate? So, climate of a place is an average weather of a long period of time, right? So, now different experience different types of climate. Some regions experience hot and dry, and as well some in some areas the climate is cold and the land is covered by snow and ice. So I've just shown you in this like latitudes and longitudes, so it's not related. Next, then in some parts of the world the climate is neither hot or cold, that is moderate. Moderate meaning of moderate is neither too hot neither too cold, so that's why it is in the medium. It's in the medium, it's in the moderate. Yes, so let's study about the basic factors again but of climate weather. So I've given you five basic factors that how can you find the weather or what is currently right now. So that's it. Yes, in the weather. So let's study about the climate and basic factors of that. So the basic factor, the first one is latitude. You all know what a latitude. Just now I will explain you what is latitude. After that, altitude. What is the meaning of altitude? The altitude is a height. It's a height above the sea level. It is the height above the sea level. Okay. And then third is wind. Yes, wind. It will be wind because in the weather as well, because we get to know the climate or the weather by winds as well. This is a very most common tip of the weather and climate, how to know weather or climate just right now. And then distance from the sea. So what will be the distance of the sea? What is the meaning of the distance? It means that if we stand a very distant, the sea is here and we are standing here. So okay. Yes, उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि हाँ हम लोग डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सी पढ़ रहे थे। यहाँ पे आप लोग यहाँ पे हो, यहाँ पे इसी से डिस्टेंस भी पता चलता है कि कैसे कौन सा क्लाइमेट होने वाला है। जैसे अगर लहरें तेज आ रही हैं, ऐसे हो रहती है, तो यानी पक्का आंधी और तूफान आने वाला है। तो ये भी होता है क्लाइमेट देखने का। उसके बाद बस इतने ही थे, इसके सिर्फ और सिर्फ फोर थे, फोर बेसिक फैक्टर्स। देयर आर तो many basic factors in this world, but this is the four basic factors of it, right? Now this video is being very long, it's just like 20 minutes, so it's very long this video. If I teach you the whole chapter, it will get 1 hour to 45 minutes or 30 minutes, right? If I teach you the chapter, so I'm ending this video just now. So let's recap. Okay, let's recap in the next part. Okay, so this is my part 1 of the social studies. Bye friends, and then take care and bye bye. I will be back with a new video of part 2, weather and climate, and in that I will tell you about the latitude, about the distance from the equator. Then I will tell you about the one interesting fact related to climate. Like in the weather, I know, and weather, people who study weather conditions are known as. Tell me in the comment box. So this is the question for today, and please comment me in this comment section below. So then after that I will teach you the torrid, the temperature, and the frigate zone of it. So be ready for it and be. So if you want my this part 2 and part 3, so you have to subscribe my channel so get the notifications. Bye bye friends. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Bye.